everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm T, and we do have Charlie behind the camera. If you're not new here, it's great to have you back. We are currently in Vegas and we're staying at NoMad in Park MGM. So this room is a king room, a standard king room, and I'll be showing you around. So, to start, we are on the top floor of Park MGM, just to note. But to start, we always like to start with the door, the locking mechanisms. So you've got this lock and you've also got a safety lock. Immediately to my right, we have some light controls. So this one here controls the light itself, and then the one underneath dims the light. Immediately to my right, we have the bathroom. Follow me in. I love this. We have these beautiful lights. It isn't a vanity mirror. Oh, it might be. No. So these two controls on the side control this light here and these lights here. We've got these glasses. We've got two water bottles, your usual soaps, beautiful sink. I don't know what's in this. Oh, and we've got some toiletries in this. So just your usual nail file. What's this? Shower cap, cotton buds, and some cotton pads. I'll use those instead of mine. So we'll put that there, and some argan oil. Lovely. Straight underneath, we've got a blow dryer, we've got some towels, flannels, just your usual stuff. That's all that's underneath there. You come through, we've got a picture of someone in the desert. We've got the toilet, no foam, can't call home. But just the toilet here and the shower. So with the shower, I will step in. Very nice and spacious, just to give you an idea.
We come round, hang on. There you go.
This is how big the shower is. So pretty big. This door is quite heavy. It is a heavy duty door. We've got your usual conditioner, shower gel and shampoo. I will test the water out for you. Just let me get my bearings on this way. So I'm just going to step out. I do not want to get wet. Okay. Oh, okay. We've got a nice water pressure. Not sure how you go about making it hot and cold. But that's the shower. We'll just step out.
Floors are really nice as well.
Oh yeah, I've got to mention.
All the tiling on the floor and get it around my shadow. There we go, look at that.
So if you follow me through, we've got more pictures here, and then we open up to the main part of the bedroom. So we've got a massive light here. Does that turn it on and off? Yeah, it does make a difference to the lighting in here. So we've got one here. We've got this beautiful rug, actually similar to the rug that me and Charlie were going to get originally from IKEA. I'm pretty sure NoMad didn't get it from IKEA. You come in here, we've got two dressing gowns, got some space for your clothes. We've got two pairs of slippers, we've got a steamer. We've also got a safe down here. So it's not one that you pull out or anything. No, it doesn't come out. It's a deep embedded one with quite a bit of space in there. And then if we open up on the left, we have minibar. We have the minibar. It does say that it's sensor operated, so if you touch it, you will be charged within, like if you move it for more than 60 seconds. So it's lovely that we've got some glasses there. Okay, at the bottom here, we have a mini fridge. Now, this isn't a fridge that you can put your stuff in. It is another one that's sensor operated, but plenty of snacks, little bits of alcohol, and energy drinks. There is a little nook on this side where you can put your luggage. We have been traveling, so there is quite a bit of it. So if you come around this side, of course, we have the main event, the bed. It does look lovely. We'll come back to this. We've got this table here, the TV, and a coffee machine. We don't usually get a coffee machine, which is quite a nice little touch. You've also got cups and, oh, of course you need the cups. And then you've got holders so that you can actually take the cups away if you wanted to. And if you wanted to just drink it and hold it in your room, you can. Oh, another one of those chairs. We do have this. I'm not entirely sure its purpose, but it moves and it can unclip. I'm just scared to unclip it. Shall I unclip it?
No, I think it's mostly decorative. I think maybe it's an item like a clothes. Maybe someone may be able to tell us in the comments whether it actually has a purpose normally. But from what we're seeing in Nomad, this just looks purely decorative.
Thought I jammed it. Okay, so we've got that, and then this is actually one of my favourite parts of the room. I think this one isn't called a chaise longue. I don't think it's called that, but it's a nice sofa. It's a nice long sofa. It does match the 2 chairs on that side, and of course we've got this beautiful view. I don't know if I mentioned, but we are on the 29th floor, and this is our view. Yeah, so in terms of the curtain situation, we do have, that doesn't feel stable, we do have a sheer we do have a sheer curtain to pull, and then we also have the heavy duty blackout curtains, and there is one on each side. Let's just open that back up.
Keep it open, otherwise you will not see much at all because it goes very dark. Right?
Yeah, it's quite a moody kind of lit room. So yeah, you've got your phone on this side, and now it's only time for one last thing. Unless I've forgotten something, Charlie.
No, I don't think so.
No. Oh, aircon unit. So standard in most of the rooms, you have your aircon unit. We've got both Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius, so you can switch between. But it's just your standard system, which has actually been on this whole time.
It's very quiet.
Yeah.
Normally we always turn it off on the room tour so you don't have the humming, but it's obviously so quiet it didn't matter.
So there's only one thing left to do. Test out the bed. Count me in.
This looks like a comfy bed, just got to say, before T jumps on it. On 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it sounds comfortable.
It's very comfy actually. I did bounce up a bit. Oh, very nice. The cushions, pillows are very soft. See how much they've squashed in. Very nice, very nice. Looking forward to sleeping there.
Eventually, after we've been out in Vegas and had such a good time.
After we've been out. So that is it for our room tour. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.